We're going to Antarctica.
Jesus, these are huge mountains.
I've like never been in a place like this.
I hate the cold and I hate the snow. Antarctica has a lot of both. God, my hands are so cold.
Something were to go wrong. You're totally.
My snot is freezing.
This is insane. Look at where we are.
Adamandra is the best climber in the world by far. He's taken a very unique path with his training.
If the cat's going to catch some animal, he has to go very slowly.
Get it.
We're all wondering,
how can he take the sport to the next level?
my goal is to flash 5:15. First try or nothing.
When I grew up, Wadi Rum was just legends and myth.
Eli kept talking about this wondrous place called Wadi Rum and this rock climb he'd been working on for 2 years.
Yeah, the rock is not perfect.
It truly is the proudest line up this beautiful face.
Huge wall, you know? Climbing is a way for people to share something greater.
With the inclusion of speed climbing in the Olympics, the next gold medalist could be a speed climber.
What the hell is speed climbing? Very good question.
You're just racing to see who can get to the top the fastest.
A lot of people don't think it's real climbing.
This kind of weird thing off to the side.
But in some countries, speed climbing is huge.
Занимают лидирующие позиции в мире.
Saya menjadi juara dunia.
Reza holds the world record.
He's a physical freak, just explosive.
Usain Bolt is speed climbing.
Nothing can make Reza stop. Nothing.
Son. What is next? How can you do something bigger? The pressure makes me climb even harder.
I don't know, just really scared.
This is gonna be like, do I sink or do I swim?
Wow, this is big.
Such a different world.
And it just feels good.
This is like, I'm starting to get sort of
Stoked?
inspired.
I mean, it's just, how can you not be, man? It's just so beautiful.